Now we will talk about the current price of Step App FITFI Token cryptocurrency. The current price chart is $0.6383 and it is 9.3% down in last 24 hours. If I talk about the trading volume has been affected with 11.9%. I am showing you the current price chart of 6 May 2022 of Step App FITFI Token cryptocurrency. Now the market rank is 2832. There are many platforms from where you can buy this token like Huobi Global, Get.io, OKX are some platform from where you can get this token. So I'm repeating the name of the token again, repeating the name of the platform again, like Huobi Global, first platform. Okay, let me write the name of the spelling. Next one is your Get.io. Okay, and third one is OKX. These are some platform from where you can buy Step App FITFI token. But the main thing is what people think about this token. When I checked some recent review of this FITFI token, I found that users are finding this token good. Okay, means user are finding this token good. User main review is that this token is good. After that also I will suggest you that if you want to invest in this token, then please invest at your own risk. But yes, if I say, then among 10 users, 9 users had said that Step App FITFI token cryptocurrency is a good project.